Oishi, stop your front camera, beta. Good morning, everybody. Please open at your English textbook. English textbook Marigold. English text don't tell, page number 88. Page number 88. Page number 88, don't tell. Okay, Anushka, now no need to give present, I will tell, okay? So open at page number 88. Here, are there some things that grown-ups don't let you do? Read about what this child feels. Actually, always you are feeling that. Sometimes it is your feeling and our feeling also. That sometimes we are telling, please don't do like this. You are also feeling that. Why? Not only we, your parents, some elders, always. Why? We are thinking that you are not grown up at all. You are not grown up at all. So this is the problem. And you are thinking, if I grown up one day, I will do these things, I will do these things. Always, no? We are thinking. But sometime we are thinking, why? I am grown up from inside. So that is the poem, that I think poem from you. So there are lots of things they won't let me do. I'm not big enough yet. They say. They means like your parents, your elders, your teachers. So I practically wait till I am all grown up. And I will show them all one day. That is obviously most of the children's thinking, that one day when I'll grow up, that time I'll show all these things that I can do. I could show them now also I can show them. If they given one chance means one opportunity. In Bengali we are telling sujog. If they gave me a chance, they are the things I could do. If I tried, but nobody knows. So I could do, if I try, anything I could do. But nobody knows. Nobody knows what? Nobody knows that I am really giant from inside. Because so many things, so many willpower with me. So I am giant. Giant means very big one. Okay, so that's the story. So, meaning they have given here, enough, ENOUGH. So, do you understand? I think this is your story. Okay, so here means that whatever we are doing, we are going to do, somebody is telling that, like elders, our parents, are things that, okay, don't do now. You are not grown up. When you will be growing up, you will do. That times, all the children are very angry. Most of the children. Why? I can do also. And this child is telling, I am feeling that I am giant from inside. Giant means very big. Enough. Enough means sufficient. Next one. Chance. CHANCE. Chance means opportunity. Chance means opportunity. And third one. What is this? And patient or giant. GIANT, giant. It's very big. And patient. P-A-T-I-E-N-T, patient is also having patience. That is also one emotional quality, having patience, P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E, patience. In Bengali, we are telling dhoirjo. Okay. Let me see who are not mute. Oishi continuously. Why Oishi? Every day I have to tell you. Not no another person, only Oishi. Who are here? Aditi Singh, Oishi, Aniruddha Goswami, Angshika Bhagat, Anushka Kumari, Anushree Dash, Anushka Goswami, Vidyashree, Daksha, Dhriti, Diksha, Dibyanka, those who are every day here. So, patience means also we are having some quality. Okay, so enough means sufficient, chance means opportunity, some opportunity if they are giving to us. Sometimes we are thinking, if my mother is giving to me to cook, oh, I can cook very nicely. Isn't it? Like this Maggie, I can do better than my mom. But mother is telling, no, don't go to the fire, near the gas oven. So it is like this. A giant means very, very big, whatever you can write. So patience also, having patience, some emotional quality. Okay. So it is like this. It is your story, it is your poem. Okay. So question number 1. How old is the speaker? How old is the speaker? Number 1. Question number 1 I am writing. How old is the speaker? Answer is that actually here speaker's age they did not tell. So one thing we can write that the speaker is a child like me. Child like me, so it is your age also. Child like me. She or he, whatever you can write. He is big or he is big from inside. Her age is not, or his age is not properly given here. He is not given here properly. You can write your age because this is your poem, I told you. So the speaker is a child like me. He is big from inside. His age is not given here properly. Means here means in the poem. So I can write my age also. Okay, that is the first answer. Number 2, here I am just rubbing. Number 2, who are they and them in the poem? Number 2, who are they and them in the poem? So answer is that they within single inverted comma them. Single inverted means somebody has talked. Okay, you have to give some single inverted comma. They and them, they comma them, or they and them also you can write. They and them are his or her, his, I am just writing his parents or elders. Parents or elders. If you are having any problem, please tell me, okay? If you are having any problem, please tell me. They and them are his parents and elders. First one, I am rubbing this. So number 3, what is the secret the speaker is hiding? Number 3, what is the secret the speaker is hiding. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? The speaker is hiding last paragraph, nobody knows that I am really giant inside. What you have written the last line, question number 1. Just I have rubbed that. Question number 1, I am writing that age is not given, her or his age is not given in the poem or here properly. Her age is not or his age is not given here properly. Because there all the poems they have till the child feels. So age is not proper. It is your age maybe. The speaker is hiding that, or the secret of the speaker, or the speaker is hiding that she or he is giant from inside. Giant from inside. He or she knows. K-N-O-W-S, knows. Here they have told that I could show them now. I could know they know everything. Okay. She knows everything. He knows everything, and also he knows everything. Here just question number 2 I am writing, here answer number 2, here answer number 3. Also continuation. She knows everything and she wanted to show, and she or he wanted to show if he or she get chance. Okay, only these things you can write. Speaker is hiding that she or he is a giant from inside. She knows everything and she wanted to show if she gets, or here you can write he wants to show if he gets chance. Something always, because he knows something. And after that, talk time, please next day I will do, but think some things. It is your thinking. I will write for you, but think something. Think of 3 things that they won't let you do. Your parents, your teachers. Okay, beta, your English project complete. I told that the submission date. So, when they will tell that they won't let you do. 3 things. Your parents, they are telling that you cannot. Okay. What are things that you like to do when you are grown up? When you will grown up, what you like to do? That also 2 or 3 things you will think. After that I will write for you. You will tell me your likings, I will tell. And world building, here blackboard, black, board, back. Everybody think 2-3 words. Next day I will do, but please think about this. Mother, vegetable, 1000, helicopter. Okay? Please think about. Okay? I will next day, I will do. If you are having now any problem, please tell me. What, Dhiti, what you are writing? Okay, no problem. So if you are having any problem, please write to me. तो Anushka, you have already joined. It's very nice, beta. If you are having any problem, please tell me, okay? In Hindi also, now I am not having microphone. You can also write to me, okay? And YouTube class also, you can write, okay? Thank you, beta. Every day you should join. Then if you are having any problem, please join to me. Please tell me, okay? Okay, bye.